Hey, what's up guys? Steve here with the Key in Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electric with the person who manages our project advisors here, Michael Don. Mike, can you tell folks that might be watching this video what your responsibility here is at Key?
Yeah, I manage our projects and replacements. Of course, first and foremost, our guys treat our customers well. We do a thorough analysis and we quote accurately and fairly. But then on top of that, just making sure we get good guidance, keep our mindset strong, make sure we're going out there helping the community and doing the best job possible for our community out there.
It's May 19th and it's been a hot week. We're getting into the 90s this week. And so we thought this video might be helpful for homeowners that are turning their systems on. Maybe they're not working so well, or maybe they're not working at all, especially if they're older systems. So wanted to bring Mike here because you see a lot of the action, like you're like literally there with the guys that are in the field and you know, roll your sleeves up too sometimes. And what are like the top 3 questions you get asked from homeowners that might be considering or wanting to replace their air conditioning system?
Sure, great question, Steve. I think one of the questions that's asked, but in sometimes different ways, is are we going to do a good job at this, right? Unfortunately, live in a world where there are some companies that don't always do the right thing. And I think the thing that we've always held our standard to is making sure we always do the right thing. And so, you know, a lot of times we'll get asked questions on equipment and so forth, but really it comes down to, even if you don't believe our opinion after years of seeing this, right? If you were to go through ChatGPT, any form of AI, Gemini, Google, every single one will fight you back and say the equipment matters less and the installation matters by far the most. That might be the next question, Steve, right? Is like, is this good equipment? So I think that kind of tying into that, we kind of hit it from both angles, right, Steve? Mm-hmm. You know, we make sure that we pick equipment solely based on what we see works best for our clients out there.
Yeah.
Make sure that we inconvenience them as least as possible.
Yeah.
So make sure they're not taking days off work, they're not uncomfortable in the home. But the other half, and the subjectively more important part, is making sure we put that equipment in really well.
Yeah.
I mean, when we order parts, Steve, right, we have choices of plastics and polymers or metal, copper, and we always pick the better components to make sure that we have longevity and reliability for our clients.
Right.
So, you know, and it's also, as you know, it's in our interest to not go back because that costs us money too,
Sure.
right? So,
that's something important to know.
Yeah.
When you call us, we answer the phone, right?
We answer.
A lot of contractors, you know, that's not the level of service, but that's something that we pride ourselves in here at Akean, is a level of service and commitment to not only our clients, but also our team members, right?
Yeah, 100%, absolutely. Because we want our team to feel good about what we're doing out there. And as you know, we're all connected. It all starts with the initial phone call from our call center down to our guys out in the field and the guys installing them, and then that support that carries after, right?
I'll never forget, we were at a client's house. So we're currently at our heat pump store in Belmont, Massachusetts. And we were a couple towns over, we were in Arlington. I was actually there personally myself. This is when I was running sales calls. Actually, this was a client that was interested in mini splits for their home to cool and heat their home. And so I was at the call myself, and this was a few years ago when I was running those calls. And the client had said to me something I never heard before. And he said, I'm already convinced that I want to go with your company because I just got that energy off of you that I know that I'm not going to get team members of yours working in the home that are taking their frustrations out on the owner in my house. And I thought that was so profound. You know, culture is important for me and all of us on the leadership team here at Akean. So what are some other like questions that you think homeowners might have, you know, be wondering, or maybe a question that they don't even know to ask?
Yeah, I think the next questions would be how quick can you install it and how long is it going to take them to do, right? Really that kind of depends on the type of project and what our schedule is looking like. You know, we do the best we can to communicate the reality of the industry that if you have a problem with your AC on a really hot day, you probably definitely are not the only one, right?
Sure.
It happens. It feels like Murphy's Law, but it's running the hardest in the heat, right?
Yeah.
You know, typically if you have a furnace and a condenser and it's only your condenser that's having a problem that needs to be replaced, pretty much always a day. So not very invasive. Most of the work is outside, a little bit inside, but we should have you in and out in a day, and you can resume life and be cool for the rest of the summer. That time can increase a little bit based on the size of the project or how many units you have, the size of the home, etc. But typically we're doing it in about a day. As far as when we can do it, we do it as soon as possible, right? We do try to help our clients as quick as we can, but sometimes we do get a little bit backed up, especially in the heat of the heat.
Yep,
right? So
absolutely. And that's where it's important to say, like, the difference between jobs you can do the next day, it's usually like the AC replacement job. But if you're looking to add an AC to your home, like a mini split system or even a traditional ducted system, we have some ducted grills here on the floor. We do ducted systems, ductless systems, mini splits, air conditioners, heat pumps, furnaces, boilers, all these different types of systems that are in this area. And we have specialists for all these systems too.
Yeah.
And so I think that that's really important because we're in a really unique area, especially here we're in Belmont. It's a lot of older homes.
The beauty but challenge of our area is there's so many older and unique homes, and even though they look similar on the outside, sometimes they're often very different on the inside, as you see, right?
The house I live in Watertown was built in 1900, right? It's 126 years old, okay? So when you have air conditioning fit into that, it's usually retrofitted,
right?
Where now the home and the envelope, everything's kind of designed like, in tandem with each other, right? While they're doing that construction, right? The house build is actually considering the mechanicals.
Yep.
And the mechanicals, of course, considering, these older homes have a lot of retrofitted systems in, right?
Yeah.
So especially in some areas, you and I have been in them before, right? When we're going to quote a replacement or something like that, you got to get into some tight spaces sometimes.
Yeah, you're kind of like decoding and deciphering a mix of the $1 Million Man and Frankenstein over 125 years of, hey, can we add this and mix that in? But, we're up for the challenge. We always are. I think that's a point that we've always prided ourselves as a company, is that we're able to overcome those unique challenges in all those homes out there. And I think that's why a lot of people hire us, right? I mean, how many times have we been to a job and, not to put any names, but sometimes they get ideas from others and those might even be repetitive and consistent, and then we'll go in and say, hey, we've seen this before and this isn't gonna work, right? And we wanna do the right thing, but we don't wanna take a dime from you unless we know 100% this is gonna accomplish exactly what you're looking for.
Right, and so, I guess we'll end on that point, to date, as we're recording this video, we actually just passed over 20,000 customers served in the area. I think that the kind of window that we have to, what is their experience? It's on online reviews. I'm a big proponent of checking Google. And so that's something to, be aware of. There are companies out there that do that. One, I can honestly say, we've never done that. There are definitely companies that have, and something that Google do algorithm, especially with AI and stuff, all picking up, is actually picking up on when people are buying reviews.
Good.
Because it's usually bots that are like kind of building them and leaving them. So again, Steve and Mike at our heat pump store in Belmont, Massachusetts. Hope this video brought you some value, brought you some comfort and ease to maybe the questions you were having with what you're looking into. So thanks and have a cool summer.
Thanks, guys.